Hello, my name is Rose and we're from Northern Brunswick, Canada, and welcome to my new channel called Family DIYs. We're going to be talking about beets. So I'm going to show you what I did. I direct sowed it into the bed here, and I'll show you the seeds, what it looks like. And it didn't take very long. It's all ready to be harvested, and today is July 11th, 2021. And so I'll tell you a little story about beets. And because all my life I didn't care for beets, but only until last year during 2020 it was my first time trying beet greens and also boiled beets. So if you're one of those people like me, I tried pickled beets when I was a kid, when I was a teenager, in my adulthood, and I couldn't swallow it. I remember the taste. It tastes like somebody put dirt in my mouth, or I put my tongue on the ground. That's what beets taste like for me in the pickle form. However, last year, believe it or not, this was my number one crop, number one vegetable that I enjoyed last year. So I'll show you what I did and also a little recipe at the end, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy planting and just try something new within your garden. And if you don't try it this year, try it again next year. Here's the beets. I want to show you the seeds, what it looks like. So the little seeds here, and you just take your finger, because these are grown up pretty good. And this is a little spot that probably needs one. I put usually one or two. This one here is 3. Cover it up. This one here. Oh, this one's grown actually, sorry. And right here, just put a seed. 1, 2. Another one here. 1. Another one here. That's it. And it's going to rain soon. It's really windy right now, if you can hear the wind. And I'll put one in here. So I'm not going to water these right now because it's going to rain after. And I'm going to put one right here because it's kind of like needs it right here. So that's all I do. Nothing much. And it grows up like this size in a few days. This is a weed. See? You pull this weed out. Oh, this guy is almost hanging in there. I'm going to put some more soil around this guy. See, they grow up pretty big, and the little ones in here. But yeah. I'm going to have to hurry up before the rain comes. The rain's coming pretty quick. Some here. Put my hand all the way down here. Oh, I don't want to break it. I got some scissors this time so I can actually cut. This is our supper tonight, and just a little bit, and look how much we have here. Eek. So this is good for today's supper. Check and relief for any type of bugs. See this one? I think I'll just tear this all off. And just keep the good part. And the leaves, throw all those in there too. Throw them all in. I think I might not have enough water. I'm gonna add some more water soon. So this is after 1 minute. So all the leaves are getting soft, so it is underneath the water now. Look how fast the red dye coming up. Oh, the red. Did you know that you can buy beetroot pizza? This is frozen and we're ready to cook it in the oven. It's all red. Got a little bit of salt. Very simple. Boil for 20 minutes, salt and pepper and real butter. Simple but delicious, and believe it or not, this is now my favorite food. One of my favorite foods in the garden, and it is delicious and full of vitamins. And enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try a little bite here. Very good. Thank you and have a great day.